Check out my backyard. This is what the February blizzard of 2013 has done here. I think they called it Nemo. Check that out. Here's my snowshoe prints from before. The snow here is about 21 inches deep. I'm actually just walking on the top of it here. It bent all the trees over. Check that out. I used to have a working path going down here. Now I'm weaving in on it and off of it in between these trees. That one completely fell over down there. I'll have to cut that up when this is all gone. Look at this. Straight through the middle there is where the path is. I had to obviously go around these things. Got my snowshoes on. Waterproof pants, waterproof boots, snowshoes, waterproof coat. My campsite was completely buried. I dug some of it out earlier because I'm building an outbuilding out here. So I scraped off the top of that. That was covered with a tarp. That is so funny. This is quite the blizzard. I'm still shoveling out the driveway. I only got about half of it done. I just need to take a break from that for a bit. It's only Saturday. It snowed yesterday morning into today. This morning it's done now. The winds are still pretty high though. And I have to make a little pathway into here now. The mountain laurels are all settled in. These things are usually standing up. You can walk under here standing up straight instead of hunched over in between these. Well, this is what remains of the campsite. I mean, look at the branches on this pine tree. They're just draping with, all of them, just draping with snow. It's pulling them all down. Look at that. All of them. My lean-to for the wood didn't help out too much. The wind just whipped the snow right under there. I did shovel out my fire pit earlier, so that's good to go. And then that's the foundation. That's the floor for the building I'm building. It's covered by a tarp. You can see there the snow's right up to the top of it, and I used. There's a cinder block. There's a 4x4. There's a 2x6, so I mean that thing's up there. Just with the depth of the cinder block, the tall way, another 4 inches from the 4x4, another 6 inches from the 6-inch thing, the 1/2-inch plywood. So I mean that's close to 2 feet off the ground right there, and the snow's right up to the top of it. Unbelievable.